I'm literally.
See, you can't tell by that.
Yeah, like it's too rainy.
Yeah. Look at it blowing.
This might
I
be a
wouldn't want to be
hurricane.
out in that right now.
There might actually be a hurricane. Look at that guy in the danger over there. He's in great danger.
Wow.
I'm putting this on YouTube, you know. YouTube, seriously, I am. Don't worry, okay? Don't worry.
Let me fix the mat here.
Okay?
Wait, now move your foot. So
It's getting too foggy. I can't even
I
see
know.
anything.
Just coming down really hard.
Let's go. Oh. Like, look at it out here. Guys, seriously, don't worry. Yeah, it's gonna flood the street.
No, it's all going down in the sewer. You see the sewer there in front of that green box? Right over here? Look, see the green box right here on beside our lawn? There's a big grate there, a sewer grate. So a lot of the water is going into there. There's another one further down the street.
It's too rainy.
Want to walk to the mailbox with me?
No.
Just teasing.
Okay, you know this is going on YouTube, you know, right?
If you want to. You guys go to sleep. See, it was dripping out there in the back.
And
It's well needed rain. We need it.
Try to get it. I'm gonna capture this real quick. There. I'd like to say that you guys have been awesome, and even though you guys haven't been commenting, but